Hey guys, welcome back to Tracie's Place. Today I am doing a haul. I'm doing a fairly large haul, so I'm not going to delay. I'm going to try to get right through it and not go slow because I don't want this to drag out. But I wanted to show you some things that I got because I have not done a haul in forever. So I did a haul from Rose's, Family Dollar, Amazon, Dollar Tree, and Dollar General, and I think that's all. So let me get started. I hope everybody's doing good today. So the first thing I have is this cooling blanket. I got this from Amazon, and it's a bamboo fabric jacquard blanket, and it says cooling like no other, and it was the top rated one on Amazon as far as I could tell. So I really need this. Me and my husband like different sleeping temperatures, so we kind of take turns letting each other have, you know, the night as far as if it's gonna be a cool night or a warm night. And I can't make it through the warm nights, y'all. I can't. I need the fan on and all of that stuff. But it's very nice fabric. I can tell that through the package. It's thin, so I'm gonna use it and then I'll let y'all know how it works. I'd rather do that. So anyway, just showing y'all. So that's that. And also from Amazon, I got these baking trays, and these are so pretty. I've never seen any this shiny. Usually they have a duller finish, but they were $14.99, I believe. $14.99. I got these to fit in my toaster oven, my air fryer, Omni Plus. Got it to fit in there because it can't take regular size baking sheets. And I also got this basket, so I'm hoping this fits. I did the measurements before and everything. It should fit my Omni Plus air fryer. So got that. Okay, next, I think that's everything from Amazon. We're going to move on to, this is the only thing I think I got from Dollar General. And this is the Believe Ultra Shine Base Coat. I needed some more base coat for my nails, and they had it there. We are going to move on to the Dollar Tree. The Dollar Tree. And in my bag, y'all, it's hit or miss with this. Sometimes Dollar Tree has it, sometimes they do not. As you all know, I use the Vaseline Mature Skin, and I mix it with this Dove Moisturizing Body Care. And this is the beauty cream, the pink one from Dollar Tree. I love those two mixed together. They feel so good on my face. So I got 5 of those. And then I got one for my husband. It says Men Care for hands, face, and body. So I got that for hubby. And then I got this soft soap. It smells so good, and lavender matches my bathroom. So I said, let me see if it smells good, because if it don't smell good, it wasn't coming home, of course. But it smells so good. It is lavender, caring body bar with lavender scent. So that smells really good. And then I wanted to try one of their little cheaper brands of body lotion. And it's the Darling Heart Pear and Blossom scent. So I always mix my lotions with Vaseline and stuff anyway. So hopefully that will be a nice scent to put on. And then I got these cotton balls. I got 3 bags of cotton balls. They come 100 in a pack. Over to, let's see, Family Dollar. I got this car air freshener. And then I got this. I'm hoping it'll go on my dresser. My dresser looks real neat now that I've gotten the room redone and everything. I don't want to junk it up. But these are 3 little drawers. You could put different little jewelry pieces or whatever you want in here. So I don't know if I'm going to put it on my dresser or in the bathroom on the little shelf in front of the toilet under the window. So we'll see. But that was $6. And I think I believe these car air fresheners were $2. And I'm sorry I didn't say, I think the blanket was $32.99 or something like that. So I got this from Rose's. We're moving on to Rose's now. This was $2. I was hoping to go to another Rose's and find one of these, but I did not because I was going to hang it on either side of the television, you know, one on one side, one on the other, but I didn't find another one, so I don't know if I'll find any place for this to hang. We shall see. So I ended up getting these. I'm still going to be on the lookout. I think I'm going to just try Amazon for pictures. The unframed wall art. I think I want to try those, but for right now I'm going to spray paint these silver and get candles to put on top of them. I'm trying to find some lavender, lilac-ish colored candles. There's my bells. I got some bells from Amazon. I forgot where I put them. It was in the Dollar Tree, I mean the Family Dollar bag. So I got some bells also from Amazon. Those will be for a project. Oh, and the hair store, y'all. I got 2 nighttime kind of like turbans. Keep my hair from being all over my head at night. Keep it protected from the pillowcase. I got a lip liner. It was $1. The little head scarf things or turbans were $5.99 a piece. And these bands, headbands, were $1.49 a piece. You can wear them with your half wigs or your own hair, put in a ponytail or bun or something. Look real cute. And this is the best gel, y'all. This Style Factor, $7.99. It holds by itself. You don't have to add nothing with it or anything. It's the Style Factor. I got the peach this time. Sweet peach scent. It smells so, take this off, but it's, whew, it smells so good. So good. So I got that. On to roses. Okay, I had to save the best. Save the best for last. Okay, I'm gonna start off with the first bag, and I got these black shoes. I've been looking for some more fancier black sandals, but I could not find any. But I saw these and love these for everyday or casual wear. $9.99, and they seem to be good quality from Roses. Y'all don't skip out on Roses. $9.99. Got these cute little flip-flops. They're better than regular flip-flops. They're $5.99. The sizes run funny at Roses though, so you just have to make sure you try them on. I got these fitted pants, like athletic pants. These were $7.99. They just say love on the side. Since I'm about to start working out and everything. These are some lounge pants. I thought these were so cute. I have a red pajama top to match already. Oh, got some lint on the back. $4.99. Got them in a large, so I'll be comfy. And I got this little knicker length, and that's to the knee, pants or leggings, but they're knee length. They were $6.99. They're in like a dark charcoal gray. I got this cute top. It was $7.99. It's red, white, and blue. Perfect for 4th of July or any time. And it goes with this straight pencil skirt. And it's knee length. It's $8.99. So cute. So those two will go together. I got another pair of little knicker length or knee length leggings. And they were, I think, the same price. $6.99. So those are navy blue. I got this white t-shirt. It was $3.99. Just, you know, V-neck. Just something nice and simple but cute. It's longer in the back, which I love. I love that. In case I have on some fitted bottoms. I don't like showing my bottom. But I got another one in red. And this one doesn't have the scoop in the behind. But I got another one in red, and it has the gathers on the side. I don't know if you can see that. It is $3.99. Oh, and then I have a black one also. And it's made like the, oh, neither one. It doesn't have the gathers, but it doesn't have the scoop in the back either. So it's a scoop neck. It's not V. So that's $3.99. And one of my favorite pieces I found, $16.99. This is so cute, y'all. So cute. This is a dress. This is so cute. It has this little teardrop open in the back with a button at the top. But it's a dress. And it's long. It has splits in the side. I don't know if y'all can see that or not, but it is so cute. And this is the back. Y'all don't skip out on roses. That'll be a cute little date night outfit, girls night out, whatever you want it for. It's nice and casual, you know, in between. Casual and dressy. I mean, you can dress it up for a little summer wedding, outdoor wedding, anything. It is so cute. That I have to get that. And then the next bag, I got some more white sandals. Sometimes you can never have enough because they may get dirty or, you know, whatever. They're not expensive, so I don't think they'll break, but I wasn't sure. I said, let me just get two. But these are made different. Those are $4.99, little white flip-flops. And I got this cute top, $5.99. I love that. It has a little draw on the side, the little gathers plus little ties. Love that. $5.99. Okay, and then I have another one in another color, basically made the same. $5.99. This does not have ties on it. It is a V-neck, I believe. Yeah, V-neck. It does not have gathers on the side either, but it's so cute. It's nice summer tops. And I got this one in blue and orange and white. It has gathers on the side, but no ties. So cute. $5.99. And I also picked up this cute red one. And it has gathers on the side, but no ties. Love that. Y'all, I got to get up the roses more often. Look at this too, y'all. $14.99. You don't have to be buying all that stuff at them expensive stores. Look at that. With the little, I don't know if these are called elephant sleeves or not, but too cute. This is, I got it in a size large. And look at that. Little cute summer dress. Very nice. Can wear it, like I said, to an outdoor wedding or just a date night or whatever. Pick that up in red. And my last piece, last but not least, I got some more of these in rose gold. Those are so cute. $9.99 as well, just like the black ones. And they are so cute. So cute. Love these. My feet are not this size. Y'all, these are size 11. I wear a 9.5. And this is the size that I needed at Rose's. So just try on the stuff. Make sure, you know, it fits or whatever. If you don't try it on, just hold it up to you. Make sure you try the shoes on. And you will be okay. But good stuff. Nice stuff. So that is my haul. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it wasn't drawn out too long. But y'all come back. If y'all are new here, welcome. Subscribe. I would love to have you all as part of the Tracie's Place family. And like this video. If you like what you saw here, like this video. Love you all. Be blessed. And I'll see you next time. Bye.